Hey there y'all, it's me again. So it's time for another pregnancy bump date. Yes, please forgive me. I know I said that I was going to do these every 2 weeks. I think the last one I did was like a couple weeks ago, but it wasn't 2 weeks ago, so please forgive me. I'm sorry. It's just been a busy couple of weeks. Lots been going on, good things though, and now I'm back to giving you these bump dates because time is winding. He is almost here. I am almost done. I just want to look back at these bump dates and remember everything I went through, so I need to be consistent with this. So I am going to do that until the end of this pregnancy. Like, I am 8 months pregnant. Like, I'm in my 8th month of my pregnancy. Like, do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? Do y'all hear that? 8 months. 8 months. I am 8 months pregnant, you guys, and next month I will be 9 months pregnant. Like, next month my baby boy will be here. Like, do you hear the words that are coming out of my mouth? Like, it's getting real, y'all. So just so excited, so many emotions, positive emotions, but it's just, I'm just so thankful. I'm just so happy. I just want to enjoy the rest of my pregnancy. I want to enjoy, you know, counting down the days and weeks until he gets here, and just enjoy the moments because, like I said, on my time, this is the last one, but you know, I want to enjoy every single moment of it. Like, just take it all in and just so let's take a look at my app. So it says that your baby is as big as a honeydew melon, and he's measuring in at 19 inches, and I will not be surprised, and he weighs 4.5 pounds, and my countdown is 6 weeks and 4 days left. We had to go for another fetal ultrasound a couple of weeks ago, or it was recently. It seems like so long ago, but it was recently. Everything looks good. His heartbeat is good. Ultrasound tech said everything looked good. We don't have to go back, thank God. If something was to look odd, then we would have had to come back, but she said there's no need to come back. Everything looks good. He's measuring on point, and he's growing very healthy. And she even noted, ooh, sorry, something's in my eye. She even noted to our doctor that he is a very, very active baby, and that's something to be proud about. My doctor told me that, like, that made me so happy because, you know, yeah, he's like all over the place and just moving all the time. And even when we're at our appointments, like, his little leg stickers, like when she's measuring him, he like kicks it. It's like that. So just knowing that she documented that and told the doctor that that's something to be proud about, that made me happy because that's something that I'm very proud about. So he is in the 43rd percentile for weight. According to this app, it says 4.5, but according to the measurements and everything from the ultrasound, he's in the 43rd percentile. So he is a little underweight, but that's the same how Maddie was. Maddie was 5 pounds 13 ounces when she came out, so he's measuring about the same as how she was. More than likely he'll probably put on another 3 pounds. He's 3 pounds and 13 ounces now. Then I'm sure by the time he comes out, he should not be more than 6 or 7 pounds, but we shall see. You know, we shall see. Before, I was thinking that he was gonna be chunky or he's gonna be big because I'm huge already, so like that. But honestly, I think he's going to be like Maddie, small. He's gonna be petite but tall. She's small, like petite wise, but she's tall, and this probably be the same thing for him. He's just petite, or he's small, but he's gonna be tall because daddy's tall and I'm small, so it's just like a perfect mixture or whatever. So I'm just excited. Like, I'm just excited. But as long as he's healthy, he comes out when he's supposed to come out, and he is all good, that's all that matters to me. So I'm officially nesting, I think, because I've been cleaning up a lot. If you guys are following on our vlogger channel, you guys know that we've been doing a lot of rearranging in our home, getting new furniture and all that, because we were going to move, but telling y'all, God's plans, like, you think your plans for your life is good, but God's plans are so much better, y'all. So we'll be here for a while, but we just want to get some new furniture, rearrange the house. So as you guys can see, I have a new office or whatnot, and this could have been the nursery. If we were going to stay here long term, then this would have been a nursery, because we know for a fact we're moving this year. We didn't want to put in the time, the money, and the effort into transforming it into a nursery when it's not even going to be his nursery nursery for long term. So when we move into our new house, then we're going to do the nursery and go all out, balls out, like we did for Maddie and everything. But for the time being, he's going to be in our room for like what, 6-7 months. Maddie was in our room for her first 6 months or so, and she really didn't use her crib until then. So the same thing will happen for him, and by then we shall be in a new place. So everything's just working out. Like, timing is just everything. But as far as nesting, like, I mean, I've just been cleaning and getting laundry done, getting rid of stuff. Like, the nesting stage is real, and I think I'm not 100% nesting, but I think I'm about 65-70% nesting. So yeah, it's getting real, y'all. I'm just trying to be prepared. Like, I just cannot. I don't want to stress out. Another thing that I've been getting ready for is my birth. Although I didn't document my journey with Maddie because I didn't know YouTubers did that back in 2013, but I had Maddie natural, all natural, no medication or anything. So with her, I did prepare, like I started preparing for that like around 7 months or so, because I knew what I want. I knew from the jump when I got pregnant that I wanted to have it naturally. My mom had me and my sisters naturally, and she encouraged me to do the natural way and stuff like that. And I want to do that again this time. So I've been preparing for that, reading books about that. So once we get everything that we need to get situated with our home, then we're going to start working on our birthing plan. So we have like a sheet, like a guide to go over everything as far as like what I want, you know, who I want in the room with me, this and that. I don't want any medication. I don't want any epidurals or whatever the case is. We're going to sit down and discuss all of that. And as far as like physically preparing, I have one of those big exercise balls that I had when I was pregnant with Maddie, and that's exactly what I use to go ahead and start, you know, to practice my Kegel exercises, because I've been doing them like just like, you know, doing them like doing the Kegel exercises, but doing them as well as, you know, sitting on a yoga ball and doing that really helps. And I've done it a few times during this pregnancy, but I need to be consistent with it because, like I said, he can come on his due date, he can come early, he can come late, but for me, I just need to be prepared, because when I'm prepared, I'm less stressed out. But when I don't prepare, then that's when I feel stressed, and stress is the last thing you want your baby to feel. So I'm going to do some more exercises to, you know, start getting down here below ready and everything, do my Kegel exercises. But most importantly, it's a mental thing. It's really all in your mind. I'm not a person that can tolerate a lot of pain, but I know how to deal with it, I guess that makes sense. I was pregnant with Maddie and I felt my first real contractions. I couldn't handle it physically at first, but mentally I kept telling myself, I'm going to get through this, I'm going to get through this, I'm going to get through this, I'm going to get through this. I had Maddie, my husband, beside me the whole time, and he kept hearing me saying these things or whatever. He kept, you know, saying it with me as well. And so one thing that helped me was counting. So every time I felt a contraction, I counted to help me not think about the pain that I was in. So even though I feel the pain, when I don't think about the pain, my mind kind of just focuses on something else, which is kind of weird, but it helped though. So it helped. So that's something that I want to like start preparing for. Then, like I said, we're going to sit down and discuss the plan and everything. Our hospital has water tubs, so I do want to labor in the tub just to see how relaxing it is and to see if that will help with the pain and all that. So that's another thing that I want to prepare for as well. But all in all, like I said, we're going to sit down, we're going to discuss our birthing plan, get our stuff together, bags together, and, you know, just start getting ready. Things happen in life, everything doesn't always go as planned, but like I said, it's all in the mind. The mind is a powerful thing, so I just want to be prepared for what I want, which is a natural, healthy labor and delivery. So that's in the works, and I'm so excited. And if you guys want to see an additional video on how I'm preparing for that, or like maternity exercises, whatever, you know, pertaining to that, then let me know and I can do that. I had a baby 4 years ago and I want to make sure that things haven't changed, or, you know, I can just go ahead and start thinking and processing what I want for my labor and delivery. So excited, and I cannot wait. So yeah, stay tuned for that. You guys know that baby boy has a name now. Yes. So we did reveal it at our baby shower. Our baby shower was this past weekend, and we revealed it to our family, and they love it. They love it, and we love it. Although it was a name that we loved, or we said we weren't going to use, we both loved it, and we ended up choosing that one, and we just love it. It just flows together. His whole name flows together, and it's just different. So make sure you guys are following my vlogging channel, because I'll be revealing it over there. Whenever you see this, tonight's vlog will be our baby shower, and then Wednesday I will post up his name reveal, because we were going to wait until he was born to announce to anybody what his name was, but we can't help it. And because we've been calling him Squiddy this whole time, we just want to start getting used to calling him by his real name, even though I'm sure we're going to call him Squiddy when he gets here, because we got so used to that. But yeah, we want to start calling him by his real name, and we want people to start calling him by his real name and everything. So stay tuned for that. So you guys ready for the bump? Are you ready for the bump? You ready to see this big old bump? Oh yeah. All right, look at that, y'all. Oh snap, big boy. Yes, he is getting so big. Gotta be careful, y'all, so I don't fall off this chair. There's my baby. Alright, so that's the end of this baby bump. So I'll see you guys in 2 more weeks. And if you have not subscribed or hit that bell, please make sure that you do so. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.